This
helping
conference
many
will
of
now be
the
recorded.
debt collection agencies to enhance their productivity, the operational efficiency. Then few screenshots we have also taken to show you here. Okay, what are the modifications we have done, and the scope of modification we can do as per the requirement of a collection agency. Okay, then the challenges we have uncovered or we have discovered earlier, what are the remedy or what are the solution we have designed and how it is helping. Okay, and to end, some few major customers who are using our solution. Okay, so the modern debt collection agency, if you like, on a very nutshell or maybe a very small two-line introduction, if I would like to discuss with you, it is the process of pursuing the payments or the debts owed by the individuals or the business houses. Okay, an organization which is specializes in debt collection is popularly known as a collection agency or a debt collector. Okay, this collection agencies deployed multiple strategies to try to retrieve the funds which is owed by the debtors. Okay, so calling the debtors to their personal and the office telephones, which is being given as a alternative telephone numbers during the application or the loan disbursement. Okay, contacting to the debtors peer group, maybe a family or a friend or the neighbors, to confirm the debtors contact information where we are unable to reach the debtor and ask for the EMI or the outstanding overdue. Send out the voice broadcasting messages to the debtor, which is not necessarily for the collection, also as a pre-collection activity for informing about their EMI due date or the payment due date. Okay, we these agencies also do have a practice of sending multiple and repeated notifications via SMS and the emails, so that they should not miss the payment dates. Sending personalized WhatsApp messages or the receipts about the overdue of the payments or payments received with a due date and the fine dates. Okay, so if you wonder what is that, why it is being chosen as a topic for today's webinar, the unified communication solution designed or powered by Astex for the debt collection agency, the reason I will say is like while renewal last month we were seeing this kind of a solution, we have started offering to our customers right from the year 2013 and 14, at least in a organized way. Okay, but those were the years where probably we have few uh, clients who come up with this kind of a requirement, and probably we have given. But if I consider 2018 or 17 18, the years together, I could see that if I have a total of around 300 plus debt collection agency who are using our solution for smoothing or enhancing the efficiency of the collection and the debt management, it could has come into the picture that non-performing assets, which was a very much concern with the entire country, the NPA, you would have heard of, you would have come across of the word NPA, non-performing assets, which was so huge. It has become a condition like there were few banks has to be merged together, few banks has to wind up their operation, few banks need some government mobilization, the fund mobilization for government, from government of India, to maintain their sustainability, and all that was the critical situation we have reached. And from there, the bank, including the government undertaking organizations, had made this as to reduce down the non-performing assets. And probably I will also say the number of solutions we have sold, we have offered to our needy clients, probably a reason now the NPA rate has been reduced, the substandard asset rate has been reduced, and the Indian banking system is again recovering to the extent. So maybe by end of the session I will tell you, if at all you want to contribute something towards the national wealth, uh, so this is also one of the tool you, if you are offering to your needy clients, needy debt collection agencies, then probably your contribution is done. Okay, so while talking to these people across the country, uh, uh, as you know, I happens to, like, as of my job responsibility itself, I have to travel across the country, and I meet these people, these agencies, these farms, these companies who are engaged into collection, authorized by the financial organization, uh, uh, region wise. Okay, be it in the western region in Mumbai, Pune, or be it in the southern region like Chennai or Hyderabad, or maybe a client in the north region into NCR. The common challenges what they have discussed with us is like uh, uh, they are facing the problem to smoothen the collection system, and there is also, there are they have to comply with the norms, not only the norms in the way of collections made, also some RBI and other agencies has what they can do, what they cannot do. So bringing in this solution really helps them uh, to overcome, to address, to give a remedy to their challenges what they are going through, because no solution is, or no solution can be offered to anybody, or nobody will accept a solution if this is not giving any remedies to their pain area. So the pain areas are exactly been discussed, the and that is been here, we have made it as bullet points, and probably from the slides hereafter we will see how the Aztecs UC solution designed for the debt collection agency exactly meet their requirement, help them to come out of the challenges or the difficulties. First of the thing what they are saying, while dispersing the loan, the applicant would have given so many information probably which is not been recorded properly, which also becomes a problem in reaching them out when we try to collect our debt, collect our EMIs and overdue. So what they want is like more number of fields for the customer information capturing. Okay, we have a normal call center dialer, call center solution, which we give it in a generic format to the small and medium organizations, but where the number of fields they don't want to be more. Whereas in a debt collection agency, probably the number of fields, because they want the loan number, they want the initial payment done, they want the EMI date to be captured, they want the EMI amount to be captured, they want the alternative number to be captured, alternative email to be captured. Many information is required to reduce down the future risk. That is how they want more fields for the customer information capturing. So we have designed, I will show you the screenshots. We have designed, okay, we have designed the screen to help the agency to have more and more customer information on the screen. Okay, they also want, see, there were few customers, they know it as a normal scenario and they try to avoid the calls during the official time, or they don't want to come to the telephone numbers which they have said. So they also want, like, if this process can be automated to some extent, if not all the calls has to be done on an automatic mode, but if there is an option of doing a automatic dialing, then it is helping us, because they can set the date and time, and on that particular given date and time things can go smooth, or the calls can happen automatically. Okay, they want manual calls to reach the alternative numbers. Okay, I am giving you the glance of the challenges here, then in our next slides we will see how exactly it has helped. Okay, the manual calls to reach the alternative numbers, what they want, even if it is a predictive dialing scenario or automatic dialing is happening, still they want an option of kind of a mode of the dialing to be changed, that is a manual calls to reach the alternative numbers. I'm giving you a simple example. For an example, there is a customer X who have taken the loan, and we are unable to reach him, to connect with him, but while talking to his alternative number, or maybe while talking to the same number, the person who has attended the call, we get to know ki Mr. X is not using this number for now, and probably he can be reached with an alternative number. That is what the peer or the relative or the friend or the person who have received his phone, he have given this bit of information ki, okay, now he may be available on this number. So what this agencies would like to have, immediately I should take a break from my automatic dialing or the predictive dialing, and there should be an option or there should be a beautiful interface where I can dial the number I have just collected, just discovered, just got it by chance, and to dial on that number to reach the loanee. Okay, so they want to reduce on the waste of time productivity to the dialing to the same numbers time and again, which would have been blocked or which would have been put into some answering tone. Okay, and they want the callbacks to be scheduled on the particular day and time where the customer have requested for, and all this interaction what happens with the loanee to the agency member or the debt collector, it has to be recorded for a future, maybe a dispute resolution purpose or at least for the training and monitoring purpose. So they also want the voice broadcasting for the EMI dates, automatically a dynamic voice broadcasting they want for their customers, which we should publish the EMI date and amount and remind them to make the payment. Okay, rather creating a problem only after getting into a NPA situation, then to reach them and force them to make the payment. If we can also add them into a pre-notification format, alarming or giving reminders where they will not fail to the due date, and the payment would be very smooth. And they also want like a integration with their database along with SMS and email, so that on receipt of the payment or missing a due date, they should be receiving a SMS or email on the given mobile number or the mail IDs. Okay, so if you have a like a pen or pencil with you, you can note down the points what majorly we have taken today to discuss this 8 areas where they are facing the challenge and they want to overcome. Okay, and in case if intentionally or unintentionally if I miss to describe or show you any of these challenges, how it has overcome, how we have addressed, please remind me, okay, with your question. So now, before to overcome these challenges or what the features we have given to discuss, let me show you the architecture diagram, which is a cost effective architecture diagram, I can say you, to manage a premise based solution at their office itself. Okay, no need to pay any monthly rental, no need to pay any internet cost. All that can be avoided on their own premises based upon the number of collection agent they have or the financial institution have authorized them. They need to have a small architecture diagram at their place, which is complex here is just giving a uninterrupted power supply. Probably other than that, I don't find in the entire architecture there is anything critical or there is anything which is undoable or it is like critically like exposed. Okay, so what we are going to give, they have the freedom to use whatever the trunk line they want to use. Okay, it can be analog line, it can be a PRI or a ISDN E1 line, it can be the GSM SIM cards with help of a GSM gateway, or if it in case if it is a like international calling or the clients are beyond to the Indian jurisdiction or geographical area, they can also use a VoIP or a SIP as a trunk. Last few webinars, if anybody is like participant is same, you are definitely aware that Aztecs also has started with its own VoIP minutes as a trunk for international calling, so you can use that. That is very cost effective. We have given you the examples before how drastically that your cost of calling comes down if you are using VoIP, in case if it is a international call center. Okay, am I clear? So your any kind of trunk, if you wish to use for this calling purpose, you have the liberty and freedom. You can use your analog E1 line, GSM gateway, or SIP lines to our solution, Aztecs call center solution. And on the user side, you already have your LAN. In case if you don't have a LAN and you don't want to invest at the starting of the agency establishment to have PCs and all, not to be worried. Okay, with a simple IP phone on your network can also give you the exact expected result for your calling, recording, callback scheduling, and all that what we have discussed or what we are going to discuss. But in case your agents maybe to access the database or to access the bank's MIS, or in case bank has already given you the NPS list with some web application, to access that you already, your agents are sitting in front of a PC or a laptop. No need to have an additional cost of bringing an IP phone into the architecture. You can have simply one soft phone installed which comes free of cost, installed on the PC or laptop for the calls. And now your environment is also so friendly that both the hands are free. I can take the notes, I can put the comments, I can take the disposition remarks, I can both my hands are free. And this is just a headset connected to the PC or laptop. Voice is very clear. Outside noise or the disturbances is not affecting me, and I am making or talking to the people to remind them or ask them to make their overdue payments. Okay, or in case if you want, you can have both on the place. Like if anyway PC is already there, so let us install you the soft phone on your PC or laptop as a like alternative mode. Depends upon the mood. If you want sometime the calls from the headset, sometime the calls from the hard phone, that way you can also have a combination of PC and IP phones, or PC or IP phones. Okay, so this is the architecture which connects all the trunks for the dialing, and agents can use the PC and IP phones for calling purpose. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. You can see here what I have already discussed with what was the challenge earlier we have discussed or we have discovered from the collection agencies. They want more information, and also they want customized information on the screen. They don't want probably all the cases like address 1, address 2, address 3, and address 4, but in place of address 4 probably they want a loan account number, they want the branch name, they want a alternative mail ID, they want a EMI date. And recently I remember we have designed, it is a customer in Jaipur, okay, Rajasthan, we have designed the agent screen with more than 35 fields as per their requirement. Okay, so actually bringing in the fields is not a challenge. Bringing in fields is not very difficult for us. As you know, we have our own research and development wing sits in the same premises. We have our in-house development team, so we can bring you the modification. We can bring you even if you want 50, 60, whatever number of fields. But yes, because it is the same screen, you have to see all the fields. You have to also be concerned, you have to also be visionary that what would be the visibility and what is the exact requirement of bringing in the fields. Okay, unnecessary bringing in 50 plus fields, 100 plus fields, 70 plus fields just to take a credit that yes, I can give you this many fields on my agent screen does not gives you actually any sense when you consider that into the user scenario. But yes, whatever is your requirement, the number of fields with your information so desired, we can bring you and give you the agent screen where you can have all the information about your customer on your screen. Okay, correct. So you can then next I'm going here. You can see the information when we have given, it is being so modified or customized that it is, in fact I have put some black marks because it is I have taken the screenshot from a production server itself. Okay, so you can see the number of advance of EMI, the dispersal date, okay, the last EMI status, whether it is cleared or not, Okay, the first calling date, when the second call should happen, when the third or final call should happen, everything is being we have given out here. And in case, see, if you see here, if the last EMI is not cleared, okay, then people will get here a option that because the last EMI is not clear, there would be overdue. Maybe this is the customer at the point I have taken the backup, the last EMI status is cleared, so the EMI overdue is showing as 0. Okay, so how many installments they have opted when they have taken the loan, what is the first reminding date for them, what should be the date we should remind them for the second time, all that we can bring you and give you here on your agent screen. And when the call comes or when the call connects with your agents, all the call history comes in front of the agent on his screen, so that he can well relate it that what was the last call and what was the discussion happened. Okay, so now you can see here, this is a very interesting thing what I was talking to you. See how we can do the manual dialing, that is because my solution gives you blended calling option. You have to just take a break, okay, and dial manual on the interface. That is how you can do to the newly discovered numbers which has recently come to you. If you already have taken few alternative numbers, you can see in this screen. Okay, see already assume we have taken the numbers. You can see here main number. Okay, you can see a alternative phone number. uh, that way if I have taken few numbers, then what I can do, I can bring in a solution here like automatic alternative dialing. How it happens? That means it will dial on the row, rather dialing on the uh, rows, one number after another number. Means first calling to Deepak, then maybe calling to Ram, then maybe calling to Peter, then maybe calling to Muhammad. That way, what we will bring in, we will bring in a list ID which can be uploaded automatically for the alternative number. That means it will start dialing into the row. For Amulya, if the main phone is not reachable or I am unable to reach Amulya on the main phone number, it will start dialing the alternative phone number. And alternative phone numbers also can be 1, 2, and 3. So it will first dial the main number, then dial the alternative phone number 1, then dial the alternative phone number 2. So this is we call as a alternative number dialing or the row dialing. So only for that particular customer, maybe if Peter is the customer, or if Mohammed is the customer, or if like X is the customer, for X whatever numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers one after another will be tried from the solution to reach, and then it will go to the next customer. Okay, so here you can see also manual dial options is there. So finally, when I am talking to, if I got a new number, probably he is not available, or he have changed his number, or he's not using this number, then I can take the new number and go to the manual dial place, take a break and go to the manual dial place and reach to the person I want to. Okay. Now, okay, so now let us go to the next slide, which is pointer offline. Okay, I have erased. What happened? Okay, so far whatever we have discussed, any doubt you have, please put that in as a question, and we will answer to you at the end of the discussion or end of the seminar. Okay, webinar. Ask Karthik to keep the laptop. So let me now talk to you. What are the like benefits? What are the features actually we have given here? You can hear, huh? Everybody can hear me? Okay. So mostly as it is an outbound scenario, let me just take you through, though I will not be talking to you one by one or discussing with you one by one, which may take little extra time. We are always reachable to you with the huge network we have established. Any major city you talk in India or abroad, we have a branch of our own, or we have our own close associate team who can help you in explaining more about the product and probably a live demo. So let me just go through. See, as I told you, this unified communication solution version 2.0, which is a very new, very attractive design of the solution, which we will be releasing by next month. Okay, it the solution has a capability to incorporate all the modes of dialing. That is a predictive dialing scenario, you all aware, which actually help you to enhance your work ability up to 4x, means 400 times, you can say. If in a normal scenario a trained agent can make around 60 to 80 calls in a 8-hour shift, if the same agent, or probably a average skilled agent on a predictive dialing scenario, can reach out to 250 to 350 customers, because it is bypassing, or the system is helping you to bypass the numbers where customer is not taking the call, the numbers which is going or not available, the numbers which is connected to fax machine, the numbers probably which is linked with an answering machine. All that is being bypassed, and only to the matured or calls it is being connected to your agents. Okay, voice blasting. Okay, so that's what predictive dialing, progressive dialing, and manual dialing. So that the solution has the capability as per need of your agency, the requirement of your agency. You can choose whatever dialing mode you want to. Okay, then voice blasting. Yes, the pre-recorded voice files without any agent's intervention can be bring in for broadcasting the desired voice to you. And also what we have designed here for the collection agency, a dynamic IVR voice process, where on the given date and time, what I have shown you in the earlier screens. Okay, the you can see here first calling date, second calling date. On that particular date and time, the desired voice file will take the values from your database. For an example, it is a dynamic IVR. It is not like a pre-recorded like console file. It will play for everybody. It will give you the salutation on your name. It will take the due date for your EMI. It will take the overdue amount in case you have on that particular day from your database, and it can broadcast to the clients. Okay, then you can have user management, and something we have also done for our customers, like when the call connects, it will first check whether this number is already there and there is a user ID already been registered. In case if it is a new number, it creates automatically a ID and links to the customer's primary ID. Okay, answering machine detection is there by default, so that even if it is a scenario where the number is earlier used for voice calling and now been connected to the answering machine, it can be detected and your productivity time does not go waste. Okay, all the calls from the ring to disposition is being recorded in our box what we have offered for the clients. And not to be worried that if recording will be full, if the hard disk will full, if there would be few recordings will be missed, not to be worried, because I will show you the screenshot even for that. What we have so nicely designed a very neat recording software where it not only it records all your calls, but it gives you the alert or notifications when it is filled 50%, when it is filled 70%, when it is filled to the red level of 90%. Okay, it also gives you the email alerts that your hard disk or your solution storage capacity is full to the 90%. So that what we can do, there is a admin option, there is a admin privilege where admin can delete, download the voice files to any other location, or in case to the same network, if you have some NAS or some storage server, then we can put a script for automatically transferring the files once it reaches to a particular level. Or maybe I will give you another interesting scenario. In case if you don't want the voice files or the recordings which is more than 1 year old, no issues, we can automatically program it. The voice files which are more than 365 days old will be automatically deleted, so that always you have the bank of the fresh voice recording files. Okay. And interestingly, if you remember the first slide when we have discussed, maybe just to remind you, let me come back here. You can see on the downline, we have covered up now the more fields for the customer information capturing, automatic list dialing. We have seen manual calls to reach out the newly discovered numbers. We have seen how it is bypassing the answering machine and other dialing to the same numbers and enhances your productivity. Now I am coming and now coming here to schedule the callback. Okay, in case if we could connect to the Loni, but he says like he is busy or he is arranging the fund. Okay, so please call me or please remind me on that particular number. I promise to pay you on that day. Okay, just to have a check on that, and before missing the date and time or noting it wrong somewhere, immediately it takes me to the calendar where I can schedule the date, time, and in case if I want, this is my callback only, or I can connect it to the in group where any available agent can talk to the client and remind about that. Sir, you have promised that you will be making the payment on 28th of February. Today is 28th of February. When are you making the payment? Okay, so callback scheduling and reminders. Okay, so if you look into the general features, yes, it can do more into the call transferring, conferencing, blind transfer, three-party conference, whatever you would have heard a robust call center under the sky can do. This solution is already featured to give you the benefit of all the modes of call transferring and call conferencing. Okay, web form, yes, what I told you, it can integrate with any other web application from where it can take, as I was talking to you some few minutes back, that yes, from your database it can take the EMI due date, it can take the any overdue amount age on date, it can take the EMI value. Okay, all that we can take from the web application and we can broadcast or we can announce to your customers. On demand recording is something. In case if we don't want the entire interaction or the conversation to be recording, we can bring in, or we have given on special request to few of our customer, that during the entire interaction also on the agent screen we can bring in an option to record or not to record the conversation as per the requirement. Okay, it can handle blended call handling. That is how, even if it is like, for an example, it is a outbound calls are happening, it is reaching to the customers, but assume without any ill intention somebody have missed the call, and looking at the number he is calling back, I can definitely see the missed call list and I can get into a manual dialing and reaching them. So it also has, or maybe I can have one channel free or connected to a in group where all the missed calls, in case somebody is calling back, the particular port or particular number in the group can answer to their calls. Yes, it can handle multiple campaigns on one solution. You have the option to barge into the calls in case if you want to monitor your agent's performance, or you want to supervise on call to your agent's interaction, you want to improve or prompt your agents to talk to the clients the way you want. So you also have the option of call listening and barge into the call and participate in the call. Okay, recycling of the leads, customer information capturing, multiple DIDs, call queuing or call parking and giving them the music on hold, all the features. I could not list it down all because everything here we have given, because we sell cost effective open source applications. So there is no ill intention that today I will not give you something and tomorrow I will sell that as an additional license to you. So you are getting a feature rich unified communication solution in case if you are looking to smoothen enough or increase the efficiency of your debt collection agency or DCA. Okay, so web form integration, again little further to that, it can give you the call click to call, it can give you the ID pop-up, it can give you the posting remarks to be updated, it can we can have the contact based retrieval system, we can have bulk dialing system, we can use the web form to take the user ID and make the call to the user ID. Whatever the numbers are linked, automatically we take the user ID, automatically takes the number and makes the call. Okay, so web form integration helps the collection agencies to help with caller ID pop-up along with a caller history, click to call, okay, dialing with user ID. Okay, and as you have seen, what is additionally they want is like for the communication happens or by chance the call could not establish, they want to send the communication with emails, SMS, okay, with some social media also you can see here. And this solution with integration email, SMS and social media already available with us, and immediately as you decide to start tomorrow, probably you have to inform us today, and within a healthy 1 to 2 days of working time we can give you the solution the way you desire it at your location. Okay, so we have integrated with emails so that for every transaction or for any transaction you desire, so you want to trigger a email to the customer's given email ID in his loan application, you can well do that. You can send a email, it could be a thank you email for receiving the amount, or it could be a reminder mail to pay the amount. Okay, and the same way you can send SMS to his mobile. You can also integrate this with the social media like Facebook wall and all. And yes, I have told you what is the fourth icon I have put here down is a sticky agent. If there is like particularly I have built up an repo with the customer and I want the future interaction, future conversation, future communication, it should happen to me. Yes, there is a sticky agent wherein based on the mobile numbers or based on the user ID we can map it to the agent in the agency, so that every time the call comes or call happens, the particular agent is talking to the customer. Okay, this is a ask monitor. Yeah, this itself is a uh, this itself benefits a customer a lot. If you are not there in your office, if you are outside if you are not there in front of the real-time monitoring screen also, yes, on your mobile screen itself you can see how many agents are logged in. That means the entire performance of your call center, performance your calling solution, what you have deployed in your office, you can see them on your mobile screen. Okay, so yes, very recently what we have done, because a few agencies have requested us, okay, the way you are sending us the SMS, mail, notification and all that, is it also helpful that if in case I have made a payment, the receipt is already generated in the database, in the CRM or the in the financial institutions database, the receipt is already generated and the payment status has called as there is no due. Okay, last EMI is cleared. So we can send them a thank you note for the payment. We can schedule, like we can integrate with WhatsApp business account for sending them a receipt, sending them a reminder, and if it is smooth customers, and also in future if bank wants, maybe the revision into the interest rate, or the customers who want a already made the payment, the receipt for their payment, all that we can give, including a feedback or service. This is what, if you remember, while discussing the recording things, I have told you that not to be worried. If your server hard disk is full, you are anyway getting a notification onto your hard disk. You can see the server, I have taken access for this screen. This is only 19% filled. So your information about the server's operation, the solutions operations, is there in front of your screen, and your admin has the access every time he is looking into the screen. Here you can see the entire productivity for agent, for campaigns, for the statistics of number of agents logged in, or number of calls in queue. All that you can see on a real-time dashboard with statistics. Yes, the graphs are not here because there are no agents when I have taken the screen, but yes, with graphs you can see what are the number of incoming calls, how many agents are in waiting, how many are in call, how many are in dispose form. Okay, all that we can see. This is the recording application or the interface we have designed. Recording application, again, not to be worried, it is not like all the agents or every agent in your agency will have the access to the recording. Yes, with a privilege of getting access into the voice files, your admins or your authorized people in your agency will have the privilege to access the voice files, and so download, delete as per the requirement. Okay, this is how a voice logger screen looks like. And here, if you can see, you can search the voice files with date, with the time, with the source, with the number. You can search the so you can search them with uh, uh, the selected category. If you want particularly from this date to this date, what are the voice files, it will give you from this date to this date. If you want this time to this time, or if you want from this particular number, how many times call has come, who is the agent in your agency who have received the call with particular his DID or his destination, and you want to have like usually if it is normally the call should be of 5 minutes if you think, or 3 minutes you think. So what are the call which has a duration of more than 180 seconds? Okay, all that you can search in your agent screen, and it can be utilized for your monitoring and training purpose, also for a dispute resolution in case anything arises. Okay, then this is the admin screen. Okay, as I said you, this is a normal everything is, we have kept it for the admin, whatever he want, the privilege to create the user, create the campaign, upload the script, okay, upload the list for predictive dialing, all will be controlled from your admin, and the training will be given by our trained and expert engineers. Okay, I was talking to you, in case if your agents are sitting in front of a computer or a desktop, no need to have a additional hard phone to be used. Yes, these are the soft phones available and which do not cost anything to you. So these soft phones can be used and installed in your PC or laptop to make the calls. And also it is the ease, it is the comfort, it is the comfort environment for any call center, if you see, be it of a very large size. So the same facility or privilege is also there for you, even though if we are starting with 10 agents, 20 agents, or 30 agents. Okay, uh, yes, before to close this, I have more than 300 active and happy clients from the uh, uh, debt collection farms who are using our solution. Okay, so I have taken few examples from abroad. The testimony you can see, it is from Doha, Qatar. Okay, you can see that customers from western region, the customers from extreme NCR region, the customers from south region. Okay, so, and yes, Astex is there for you to truly sense 24/7 support. That means it is not like just giving a mobile number, publishing there and asking that yes, I have 24/7 support. But because I know, we will go to questions, you be here. Okay, so we know that as we are catering across the globe, last year itself we have shipped our equipments and solutions to more than 33 countries across the globe. So our support center also works 24/7 on a true sense. Okay, so we constantly strive to give you your business value and the ROI. That's how our 24/7 support center helps you, and mostly up to 99% of your issues to resolve, we can help you, we can support you on remote. That is probably the last slide I had to show it to you with constraint of the time. Now this is the time for your questions, but before we get into the questions and try to clarify or give you more information, let me also tell you a very good news, or a news to start the year. Probably Dr. Devasya Kurian, MD Astex, has given his concern that the subsequent webinar for the month of March 2020, that is on 18th March, that is also a Wednesday, and same 4 p.m. on Indian Standard Time, he would be taking on artificial intelligence and machine learning in contact center solution. Okay, so that would be very interesting. We all would be eager to listen, sir, and the benefits what he is bringing in, the integration of contact center solution with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now your questions, please. Somebody can help me. What are the questions?
Okay, let me go one by one to the chart. So Mr. Bharat, he want to know, a client want 52 columns on agent screen. Hello. Yes, Bharat, I have told during the session itself whatever number of fields you want to bring into the agent screen. Okay, as per your requirement, we can definitely give you that, but please remember, if you are putting 100 fields or 60 fields, what would be the visibility of the screen? It only reduce your maybe the font or the visibility. Otherwise, bringing in a field on your agent screen has no issue at all. Hope I have clarified you, Bharat. Next question. Please, this is from Pune. Please update the demo server setup as per the new design as well. Yeah, Mr. Rajnikant, thank you very much. It is already there. The new designs and everything will be shared with you all very soon. Okay, and whatever the features I have already discussed here, it is already been done. It has been developed. That's what I told you. If you confirms your order, then probably you can expect us to deliver this solution by healthy time gap of 2 working days max. Okay, thank you. So there is no more questions, and time is also asking us to say bye bye, bid a handshake to each other. Okay, so I welcome you in advance to the 18th March seminar on AI and machine learning. Thank you so much.